Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cake without using oven. I'm going to use charcoal and gas cooker, so bear with me. 1 cup milk, 1.5 cup flour, 1 tablespoon baking soda, a half cup sugar, 100-gram blue band. You're going to beat your white eggs until it becomes whitish. And then add in your sugar and mix that together. Add in your margarine and mix. Remember to melt your margarine. Be careful. Add in the egg yolks and beat that together. First, you're supposed to beat the white eggs. Add in your vanilla and milk, a half cup milk. Add in the flour and mix them together. Form a thick batter. Grease your sufuria and then dust. You're going to bake one with pressure cooker on gas and the other one on charcoal jiko. Remember to put something to support the sufuria, and then remove the rubber band and close to cook. The other cake will remove all of the charcoal and put them on a lid, and then you put it on top of the sufuria and let it bake for 45 minutes. Full cake. Your pressure cooker will not burn a lot and your cakes will look like this.